Do you like pina colada? Getting caught in the rain. Do ya? Do ya? You know, YouTube is great, and then it's awful. So, yeah, it's like this great thing that you use and like can reach people and stuff and like talk to them. And then you can talk like it, right, Thunder? Bring talk normal. There you go. To be perfectly honest with you, it's huge. Alligator Alcatraz is like massive. It's beautiful. It's got a lot of reptiles. Or you can talk like, well, I don't know, Donald. That sounds kind of crazy. But what is YouTube really intended for? Then it remains to be seen because I feel like it's intended for Jesus. You think so? The Lord? I don't know, maybe. But there's a lot of false prophets, I assume, and I just want to say that I'm not one of them, and I got a lot to learn, but Jesus is King of Kings, and with all this stuff going on lately, guys, reach for your Bible and get on your knees and pray.